Again, welcome back. What I've wanted to look at today is earthing systems. All I'm going to do is to provide you with some background information on earthing systems. Now please remember that always refer to the IEE regulations, your on-site guide as well. Now remember that we have new regulations coming out in June, July 2018, which will become effective from the 1st of January 2019. So all I want to do here is to provide you with some information on earthing systems. Now here, all I'm doing is to giving you an outline of information which you should already be familiar with. Okay? So I'm not going to do a lot of talking on this because this is information you should have to hand and you should know already. All I'm doing is providing a means that you can access it much more easily. Okay? Now here, all I'm doing is showing you here now the single TNS system, okay? And you would have installed these systems for yourselves on your training and as an apprentice. Make diagrams of the work you've done, look back at what you've done, ask for the plans or the layout schemes that would be applicable. Use them. Make yourself aware as to what is what. Now remember, there's a lot of plastic piping now being used in houses. Okay? So again, be aware if pipe work needs to be bonded, what is the specifications? Has the regulations changed? Check and double check. And here, all I've done here is to show you a TT system. Again, it's for you to read yourselves, okay? And I provide you with some information which I hope you will find useful. Also, I've given you a diagram. Now remember that in your on-site guide it tells you and shows you how to put the electrode in the ground, and that these electrodes needs to be inserted in the ground in a manner which produce the best earthing for the system you have installed. Okay? That means you'll need an earthing system with a very low resistance, because it must take the counterweight, the full counterweight from the system, or cause the system to trip. Allowing sufficient current to flow to cause your protective device to operate. Okay? Now I think that will be it for me today. Okay? Again, go back a little bit and I will pan in. Okay? And again, thank you for your time. And again, have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.